Hello everyone. In this session, we will be talking about genes with reference to hemoglobin. Hemoglobin is a 64.4 kilodalton tetramer iron containing oxygen transport protein composed of two pairs of alpha-like and beta-like globin polypeptide chains. A heme group ferroprotoporphyrin 9 is linked covalently at a specific site to each chain. In humans, the alpha locus on chromosome 16 encodes the embryonic globin, embryonic zeta globin, and adult alpha 1 and alpha 2 globin genes. In human, alpha locus of chromosome 16 codes the embryonic zeta globin and adult alpha 1 and alpha 2 globin genes. The beta locus on chromosome 11, alpha locus on chromosome 6 encodes that, and beta locus on chromosome 11 encodes the functional epsilon, gamma G, gamma A, delta, and beta globin genes expressed sequentially from 5' to 3' in a tissue and developmental specific manner during ontogeny. Expression of the alpha globin genes is controlled by the HS40 enhancer element located 40 kilobase pair upstream of zeta globin and the beta locus by the locus control region LCR positioned 6 to 20 kilobase pair upstream of the alpha globin. Two major switches in the type of hemoglobin synthesized during development occurs as a result of changes in globin gene expression in the beta locus. First one is from epsilon to gamma globin expression around 6 weeks of gestation, and second one is from gamma to beta globin expression before birth producing embryonic, fetal and adult hemoglobin respectively. The developmental changes in globin gene expression are collectively called hemoglobin switching. What is called is what is called hemoglobin switching. The developmental changes in globin gene expression are collectively called hemoglobin switching. The globin genes are relatively small genes comprising three coding exons and two introns. Three coding exons and two introns. The exons code for 141 and 146 amino acids in the alpha and beta like globin chains respectively. To achieve switching, the alpha and beta clusters are expressed in the coordinated fashion to produce different hemoglobin types during development. In primitive erythroblasts in yolk sac, embryonic hemoglobin is produced during the first 8 to 10 weeks after conception. These are the genes involved in the hemoglobin synthesis: zeta globin, gamma G globin, gamma A globin. These are the three genes, and delta globin, beta globin. Beta globin gene cluster chromosome on 16 chromosome, and beta globin gene cluster on chromosome number 11. This shown the functional human hemoglobin genes located on chromosome 11 and chromosome 16. Both gene loci are expressed in a coordinated manner to produce the various types of hemoglobin synthesized during the different stages of development. The developmental switching in the globin gene, embryonic globins are produced in the first few weeks of in a utero development. The first switch in the type hemoglobin produced occurs 6 weeks. where epsilon globin is silenced and fetal hemoglobin inside increased gamma globin and predominates for the remainder of gestation. At birth, a second switch occurs from the fetal to adult hemoglobin A and low level hemoglobin A2 production is constant for the remainder of the life. It is composed of embryonic zeta globin and epsilon globin chains. The first hemoglobin switching event occurs as zeta and epsilon globin expression is silenced and alpha and gamma globin synthesis begins, leading to the production of hemoglobin F and simultaneous with a switch, the site of erythropoiesis transitions from the yolk sac to the fetal liver and spleen. The second switch in hemoglobin production occurs when gamma globin gene expression is silenced and increased synthesis of the adult from forms of hemoglobin is observed in the bone marrow. At birth time, hemoglobin F comprises 80 to 90 percentage of total hemoglobin synthesized and it gradually decreases to 1 percentage by 10 months in normal infants. Hemoglobin F is a heterogeneous mixture of gamma globin polypeptide chains containing either glycine or alanine or at residue 136. The oxygen affinity of hemoglobin F is greater than hemoglobin A, but the former functions well to maintain normal tissue oxygenation. At birth, gamma G chain predominator. However, a switch to hemoglobin F consisting predominantly of gamma A chain arises during the first 10 months as well. Furthermore, as hemoglobin F level declines, it becomes restricted to the subset of erythrocytes termed F cells and is distributed in a heterocellular pattern. Family studies shows that F cell numbers are genetically controlled. However, the genes involved in this process are poorly understood. Thank you. This is about genes involved in the hemoglobin synthesis. These genes are located on the chromosome number 11 and 16. Okay.